SolChat more than doubled today alone. It's climbing from high to the next, to the next. The rally does not stop. And we are not surprised about this, actually. We learned about SolChat very early. Now here's the rally I'm talking about. We're up 130% today. We are up more than 140% this week. And since launch on the 21st of February, we are up almost 13,000%. And so a price rally like this brings, of course, a lot of trading volume. Let's have a look. This is dextrainer.com. This is ordered by the trading volume in the last 6 hours. And SolChat is at number 10. A liquidity pool of only 2.2 million, but one of the most traded coins. Have a look at this. Dog with head has more than 10 times the liquidity, but only a bit more than double of the trading volume. So people are definitely trading. And so 10 days ago, I already made a video on SolChat. At the time, the price was $2.82. Since then, we have more than 5x'd. And so here's the problem with the YouTube algorithm. If you publish a video on a token a lot of people do not yet know about, then most people aren't going to click on it. In the end, that video will not spread. And so what you end up watching tends to be the videos that have already rallied. Have a look at the video performance of SolChat. It first underperformed a typical video. So SolChat is in blue, the typical video is in gray. And now that SolChat is going up again, the performance is somewhat picking up. If you want to be early next time, then feel free to follow channels like this. I publish videos regularly. Now, I said that we knew about this before, and with we, I mean the premium community of Bitcoin Strategy. We are following the smart money in crypto, and we've got a dedicated influencer trades channel. And in here, I'm not saying who that is, we saw a particular influencer buying on the 3rd of March. That was for $15,000. And then again today, 2 additional swaps to the chat token worth $5,000. Look at this, right? This was still when the price was only at $6.60. We more than doubled since then. This is today. And so we discussed those kind of alerts, right? 21 comments on the first alert, 8 on the second, 10 on the third. Recent swap, of course, didn't yet get as much attention. But this is how we learn about those kind of things, right? We follow the smart money, we follow other influencers, we follow other communities. And whenever somebody buys something before promoting this on YouTube, then we very quickly jump on this as well. So if you find this interesting, feel free to check it out, right? The link is below. thebitcoinstrategy.com. Now here's the nice thing about SolChat. SolChat is not yet traded much on centralized exchanges. It's mainly traded decentralized. Thus, the data about the swapping activity, about new traders, recurring traders, it's all 100% transparent and we can actually look at it. So you buy the chat token on Radium, you buy it on Orca, but you don't buy it on Gate.io or MEXC or Binance. It's not available there yet. This is, by the way, a potential upside, right? Once it gets listed, the price, of course, will increase. The market cap is still only at 118 million. That's very low. And the reason why I point this out is because I think that SolChat is pretty much unique within the Solana ecosystem. Again, let's revisit this table, the most popular tokens right now. This is absolutely dominated by meme coins. Dog with Head, Portnoy, Geo Bowden, Peng, Book of Meme, Dolland, Tramp, Popcat, Dog with Scarf, you get the gist. If all the tokens look the same and if Solana turns into a meme coin casino, having a token that has actually a use case might be a differentiator and might attract more capital. I'm not here to just tell the stories, I'm here for the data, right? I always want to know what happens on chain. Let's look at this. The chart that's behind me is derived from a tool that I've developed myself, and again, that's available to the premium members. You can plug in any Solana token in this tool, and what we see here is the number of first-time traders versus recurring traders. The first-time traders are in purple, the recurring traders are in orange, and we can see that there were a lot of first-time traders on the 2nd and 3rd of March. That was over here in the chart. The rally then continued. We went sideways for a while. And then again on the 13th, a lot of new first-time traders. Now the 13th ends over here. The rally happened on the 14th. So this is a very useful statistic. It's always good to know whether or not the number of investors is expanding, right? The more people there are, the higher the price can potentially go. And so today there's still more first-time traders than recurring traders. Very positive. But we've also got a more detailed breakdown. This is now the hourly for the last 3 days. And there was a real rush happening at 9 p.m. yesterday. That rush lasted for roughly 3 to 4 hours. And then on the 5th hour, some people that were already in the token took some profit. So what do we learn from all of this? we see that more and more people jump on the token. We see that this is a token that's very special in the Solana ecosystem. We also see that there's quite a bit of attention on this right now. There might be an attention premium, so potentially we could see a dip. But in the end, I do believe, because it's so unique, that there is still a lot of upside potential. It's only at 100 million roughly in market cap. If it's your first time here, feel free to subscribe. I publish videos regularly. A like would be very much appreciated as well. It helps the channel grow. There's also a free Telegram. Link is down below.